Ever wondered why some cars run for 300,000 miles without overheating, while others blow a head gasket at 100K? The secret is in how you maintain your cooling system. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make your car's cooling system last forever, with real pro mechanic tips that'll save you from expensive repairs. Step 1. Understand your cooling system. New era first, let's understand what the cooling system actually does. Your engine produces a huge amount of heat, sometimes over 2,000 degrees in combustion chambers. The cooling system's job is to carry that heat away using coolant, a mix of antifreeze and water. Step 2. Check coolant level and condition. Start with a visual inspection. Check your coolant level in the overflow tank. It should sit between the MIN and max lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct coolant type. Check your owner's manual or use an online compatibility guide. Pro mechanic. Tip: mixing different types of coolant can cause sludge buildup and corrosion. Always use the same type. Step 3. Inspect radiator and hoses. Next, check your radiator and hoses. Look for cracks, leaks, bulges, or white residue around hose clamps. That's dried coolant, a sign of a small leak. Step 4. Test the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can cause overheating or poor cabin heat. You can test it by watching your temperature gauge. It should rise steadily and stay near the middle once the engine is warm. If it spikes or takes forever to warm up, you may need a new thermostat. Pro tip: replace your thermostat every 60,000, 80,000 miles. It's cheap insurance for your engine. Step 5. Flush and replace coolant. Even the best coolant breaks down over time. Old fluid becomes acidic and can corrode your radiator and water pump. Do a coolant flush every 2 to 5 years, depending on your car and coolant type. Step by step. 1. Let the engine cool completely. 2. Place a drain pan under the radiator. 3. Open the drain plug and remove old coolant. 4. Close plug, refill with distilled water, run engine briefly, and drain again. 5. Refill with 50-50 coolant mix. To make your cooling system last forever, follow these quick rules. Check coolant every oil change. Flush system every 2-5 years. Replace hoses and thermostat on schedule. Use the right coolant and never mix types. Watch your temp gauge. Never ignore overheating. Do these steps, and your cooling system will easily last the life of your car. No blown head gaskets, no overheating, just smooth rides. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more mechanic tips, and drop a comment if you want a deep dive on radiator flushing or thermostat replacement.